So for you to be able to transfer your Pi to your Bitget wallet, the first thing you have to do is to log into the Pi app. All right, you log into the Pi app. So ensure that your KYC is complete. All right, you can ensure your KYC is complete by just tapping here into this side, or you can easily just use this place. You just tap right here in this panel. All right, you tap on it. Then you scroll down, you can see available balance. Ensure that you have some transferable. All right, and if you haven't, you have to migrate. Ensure your Pi is migrated to the mainnet. Okay, it is migrated from your available balance to your mainnet. All right, then after that, you click on the mainnet checklist to be sure that everything is you've passed the whole checklist. All right, so all of this has to show green. Okay, all of this has to show green. You have to ensure that all of this is showing green. You've confirmed your wallet, created a Pi wallet and confirmed it. All right, you have to make sure everything is confirmed, is showing green the way it is right here. All right, and you have to be sure that you've migrated and also completed this step, migrated your wallet and completed this step. All right, after clicking on after ensuring that all of this is shining green and not brown, then you can just come over here and click on any of this section. All right, just click on any of this section that you like. You can just tap on it, or if you don't want to you can now click on sign into Pi browser. Okay, if you don't want to use this process, you can just go straight to the Pi browser, download Pi browser from your Play Store or Apple Store, and then you sign in. But you have to be sure that you've linked everything. You've linked your Pi browser and the Pi wallet. Yeah, all right, by so doing, you can now go ahead with the process. And before you link your Pi wallet and your Pi browser, you have to ensure that you've binded the Pi wallet into the browser by completing your mainnet. It's only when you complete your mainnet, the mainnet checklist, that you can now successfully bind the both together. All right. So here it has taken me to the Pi browser where I'm going to be sending my tokens to the Bitget exchange. So it has taken me to my Pi browser, and here is my wallet. I'll just click over here in the wallet section, and then I'll just click on here and insert my seed phrase. Or if you don't want to use that, you can use your fingerprint. So I want to use my fingerprint. So it has opened right now. So I'll just click on the pay or send. Then click on, you can add any address manually. All right, you can add any address through the contact, or you can send here, but we are going to be using this option to send to our exchange. Okay, so you click on this option. Then you go to your Bitget wallet and copy the Pi address and insert here. Okay, so let's go to our Bitget wallet now. Here's my Bitget wallet. I'll click on here. I'll click on where we have this asset over here. I'll click on it. Then you click on add fund. Okay, click on add fund. Then you click on deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto. They are gonna be, it will show you here to take you to this page. So you are gonna be searching for the Pi network here. You search for Pi. you type pi. All right, so here is pi. You can see there we'll click on it and then go and copy the deposit address. We just head over here and copy it. Okay, just head over here and copy it. Ensure that it's on the pi network, that this pi here has this pi network by the side. All right, ensure that it is not on a different network. If by clicking here, if you click there, you see that currently there is only one network that Pi supports. I think with time there might be more integrations. So kindly ensure that these two brackets has Pi in it. There is no other network like TROX or Ethereum or all of that. It's only Pi that is on. That is only Pi has a bracket on it that has Pi network in it. All right. So ensure that you are in the correct network. Okay. So after that, you just click on it, and then you come over here and click on this copy. After clicking on it, we've copied it. Now we'll head back to our Pi browser wallet and go and send. So after copying that address from our Bitget wallet, we'll now head back to our Pi browser wallet and paste that address right here. Okay, paste that address right here. You have to be sure that you have some Pi already migrated in your wallet. You click on the number of Pi that you want to send. After clicking on that, the number of Pi you want to send, don't worry about this demo. Okay, don't worry about this demo. It is optional to put it. All right, you can decide to put either your name or anything that you want to put here, but you can just leave it empty. Then after that, you click on send and then you confirm. After clicking on this send button, you confirm it, and then the Pi will be sent automatically to your Bitget wallet. All right, so that is how you send this. That's how you send your Pi to your Bitget wallet. If you have any question, drop them at the comment section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.